Hello everyone. Have you ever slid into your car and immediately noticed cracked seats, stains that never come out, or fabric that just feels worn and uncomfortable? Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best available deals on all the seat covers mentioned in this video, and leave a comment with your own experience or which seat covers you think look the best. Today's countdown will help you protect your seats, upgrade your interior, and choose the perfect car seat covers for your lifestyle and budget. Starting at number 5 are the Piac Auto High Back Front Car Seat Covers. These seat covers are designed as a universal fit for most vehicles and are made to cover high back front seats with built-in or adjustable headrests. They feature a breathable polycotton fabric with foam padding for added comfort and include a split rear bench compatibility for many standard seat designs. The covers are airbag compatible, machine washable, and designed for easy installation without the need for professional tools. In everyday use, the Piac Auto seat covers are a solid choice for drivers who want basic protection and comfort without spending too much. They do a great job of shielding original seats from spills, dirt, and daily wear, making them ideal for commuters, rideshare drivers, or families with kids. The breathable material also helps keep seats cooler during warmer weather. The fit is not as tailored as premium options, but for the price, they deliver reliable protection and comfort. At number 4 is the Beau Pieuvre car seat cover for luxury and comfort. These seat covers are crafted with premium materials designed to deliver a soft and luxurious feel while protecting your seats from scratches, spills, and fading. They feature a universal fit for most cars, SUVs, and trucks, and are designed to be compatible with side airbags. The covers include a non-slip backing, reinforced stitching, and a design that balances style with durability. What makes the Beau Pieuvre seat cover stand out is the focus on comfort and upscale appearance. They instantly elevate the look of your car's interior while adding a cushioned feel that makes longer drives more enjoyable. These covers are perfect for drivers who want a luxury-inspired upgrade without committing to full custom upholstery. The only downside is that the lighter colors may require more frequent cleaning, but the comfort and style easily outweigh that minor inconvenience. Coming in at number 3 are the Elantrip 2PC's front car seat covers. These covers are made from high-quality faux leather and are designed specifically for front seats, offering a snug universal fit. They feature waterproof construction, airbag compatibility, and a full wrapped edge design to provide maximum coverage and protection. The seat covers also include built-in pockets for added storage and are designed for quick, tool-free installation. In real-world driving, the Elantrip seat covers strike an excellent balance between practicality and style. They protect seats from spills, pet hair, and everyday messes while giving your interior a clean, modern look. These covers are especially well suited for drivers who want easy-to-clean protection and a more premium feel without a high price tag. The minor drawback is that they only cover the front seats, but for many drivers, that is more than enough protection. Taking the number 2 spot are the EKR Custom Fit Tacoma car seat covers. These seat covers are designed specifically for Toyota Tacoma models and feature a precision custom fit for a factory-style appearance. They are constructed from high-quality leather or leatherette materials and include multiple layers of padding for enhanced comfort. The covers are airbag compatible, include secure fastening systems, and are designed to match original seat contours closely. The biggest advantage of the EKR seat covers is how closely they replicate the look and feel of original upholstery. They are perfect for Tacoma owners who want maximum protection while maintaining a clean OEM-style interior. The custom fit eliminates slipping and bunching, making them ideal for off-road drivers and truck owners who demand durability. The only drawback is that installation can take more time, but the end result is absolutely worth the effort. Earning the number 1 spot is the Black Panther Luxury Faux Leather Car Seat Cover. This seat cover is made from premium faux leather with a diamond-stitched design that adds both style and comfort. It features a non-slip bottom, durable construction, and a universal fit designed to work with most vehicles. The cover is waterproof, wear-resistant, and designed to protect the seat cushion while maintaining airbag compatibility. The Black Panther seat cover stands out because it delivers a luxury look and feel with exceptional durability. It is ideal for drivers who want to refresh worn seats or protect new ones while adding a premium touch to their interior. The cushioning improves driving comfort, and the stylish design makes it feel like a true upgrade rather than just a protective accessory. The only minor downside is that it focuses on seat bottoms rather than full coverage, but its comfort and appearance easily justify the choice. If you are serious about protecting your car's interior and improving comfort, these seat covers each offer something unique. From affordable everyday protection to custom-fit luxury upgrades, this list covers every type of driver. If this video helped you decide, remember to subscribe to the channel, check the description links for the best current deals, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below.